Grasten has been able to do more installations out of one location than almost anybody out there. We're able to show the customers that we provide a better level of service than most. My goal was to always bring Grasten nationwide. So to be able to partner with somebody who had the vision and the will to want to succeed and actually do it, we're able to dominate the industry. I'm Josh Keller. I'm the president and founder of Grasten Technologies. We started Grasten in 2008, and ever since we've been trying to build something incredible.
Efficiency is definitely one of the things that sets Grasten apart from everyone else in the industry. We do comparable numbers to very large businesses with a fraction of the staff.
With us being a younger staff, a lot of us are tech savvy. If you tell us that technology is going to help us, we get excited and we can really kind of poke some holes if there's any holes. And if there's no holes, 2 thumbs up, we're off to the races. We've been in business for 17 years. How do we focus on the next 17?
Our automation, our permitting process, our systems that we've built are the best in the industry. And then Brian and his team at Canter did all of this, but they did it nationwide.
We knew that the West Texas market was something we wanted to get into, and Grasten was the choice. And getting to know Josh and Jess and the family orientation of the company and how they treated employees and how they grew from within matched the exact things that we loved about GenerX, Midwest, and what brought Canter to be.
Joining other people who are doing it really well is so exciting. It really is so nice to be a part of this generator family.
They have multiple locations and we have one, and we're able to hold weight with them. It doesn't make us cocky, it makes us confident.
We all try to work as a team. The people we have employed try to help every department they can.
Now that we have some of that backing and some of the extra people, it really makes us excited to see what we can do as we continue to grow that size.
Employees' jobs are more stable, marketing leads are more stable.
Looking at 2025 and what is possible, the sky's the limit.
We continue just to do better, and that's something that I love because it's endless opportunities.
The future is going to be wild, and I'm here for it.
It's really exciting joining the family, Canter of brands, for all of us to share the same vision and passion and really build something incredible.
You can take the things that have made Grasten amazing and the engine that Canter and GenerX has become and combine all this together and really dominate the West through the Grasten name. And we're only getting started.